Hi guys, I'm mining and doing some testing on the Avalon 841. I'm really trying to see exactly how low I can get the temperature. Have it down to the ground low to get the room to get it as cold as possible. Temperature up here, 76 degrees. Outside it's 50 degrees Fahrenheit. I have a 220/240 volt power supply coming in here. This line is 220 some odd volts. Let's take a quick look at it and see what the voltage is. There's your voltage, 240.3 volts. And the current power used is this number right here, 1,371 watts, 1,371 watts. This is my Raspberry Pi. As you know from the prior video, I had a dead Raspberry Pi sent from the manufacturer and I had to buy a replacement one. Got a cute little case with a fan, which does allow it to stay really cool. Here's a power supply coming in. And this is the actual power brick. This power brick is the official power brick approved for a Raspberry Pi with Model 3. It's 5.1 volts, not 5 volts. It does seem to help. I have an Ethernet cable here. You can see it's lit. That goes to a switch. So this is operating just fine. And if you take a quick look, USB coming out, classic dongle. That's a USB to UART, and the AUC 3 cable. And there you go, with the beautiful little blue light, meaning it works, and all the hash boards in it. I have this fully clear to get as much air as possible. I'm using a Corsair titanium PSU to get these results. I'm going to do one more thing. I want to show you a reading of the DC going in. Just a second, let me get this meter. Here we go. This is the same as any of the other PCI cables. So in theory, since they all run off a joint DC source, all readings on all cables should be identical. Even though the drawer is not against this particular cable, let's get that to DC. Here we go, DC. Even though the drawer is not against, not being happened on this cable, all the drawer is happening in there, so everything should really read the same DC, approximately 12. Let's take a quick look. Put the camera down. Put that camera down right there. Doing can't quite hold it right. Have it at my morning coffee. There we go. You see 12.04 DC going into the PSU. So this is getting 12.4. And the drawer on it at the plug is 1,378. We're doing just above 0.1 watts per GH. In order to be at 0.1 watts, we'd have to be drawing a total of also take this, lower it down here to get you a better idea of what the temperature is down there where the actual drawer is coming in. And in just a second, I'm going to type in the 192.168.0.179. This is the GUI for the Avalon. There's no password, it's blank. And see what I've done is set this on a -2, which is the lowest voltage and wattage, -2, and I'm mining at Bitminter. The other pools I have are deactivated because I want to get some at Bitminter. I'm gonna go to the status 1,603, and the wattage was 1,370. It's a fraction over 0.1. It's rated at 0.00099, so you may be off by 1%. I'm pulling 1% too much power. Now I really want to illustrate what I've done here. I have this door open. This is a back door to my garage. I have a fan pulling some hot air out, and cold air also gently falls to the bottom, and I'm channeling some cold air with this fan. I also have the back of my garage open. So this is fairly cool in here. Let's go down here and look at the floor temperature. 67 degrees. And while we're here, let's look at your temperatures on the Avalon. 23 is input, 67 is output. Fan went a little under 100% because it's cool enough that it doesn't have to be at 100%. But I can show you pretty clearly we're just off spec, a tiny fraction. It's supposed to be basically, this number should right here equal 10 times that of the number down here, and it is 1366. 10 times that would be 13,660. You can see it's just about exactly 1% off, and that could be a meter function. And that's with the titanium PSU, the Corsair. I don't have the other PSU, the Sorcerer that comes with this. It's just about spec, but this is a temperature sensitive unit. Like I said, in the room here, this room is in the 60-degree Fahrenheit, 65-degree Fahrenheit temperature. Take a look right down here. And you see 67 degrees. I'm going to let the room heat up a bit. What we're going to do is shut that back garage door and let the room get a little warmer and see what happens if we come back and measure voltage and watts and usage later.